Today's featured pickup truck is a 1979 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale. And I'll read off the seller's comments at the auction. And the seller stated 350 engine, new leather interior, power disc brakes, new wood bed. And I didn't mention the mileage or what the transmission was, but I believe it was an automatic transmission. And it sold for $11,925 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a good-looking truck. The wheels may strike a nerve on some people, but wheels are always a personal matter. And you can always switch the wheels on it if you don't like them. But it had a good stance to it, sat good, had nice paint on it, and I thought it was a pretty good buy for $11,925. And this was part of the third generation of the CK line of the Chevy pickup truck. General Motors referred to it as a rounded line instead of the square bodies, which they're known by everybody else. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1979 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale with a 350 engine and new leather interior, a new wood bed, and power disc brakes that was sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $11,925. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.